All right, today we're going to be looking at some conversion factors. I'll show you how to use a conversion factor to convert from one unit to another. We're going to use seconds, minutes, and time, and centimeters, meters, which are distance measurables in the metric system. So let's look at first. So things that we know. So we're using something we know to convert to something else. We know that 60 seconds is 1 minute, or 1 minute is 60 seconds. These are the same thing. So we can build a conversion factor with this information. We can say that 60 seconds over 1 minute is the same thing as 1, because if you have the same value in the numerator, the same value on the bottom, you divide them, it's equal to 1. All right. I know 60 divided by 1 is not 1, but 60 seconds and 1 minute represent the same packet of time. So you're dividing itself by itself, so you're getting 1. And you could go either way with that. So 60 seconds divided by 1 minute, or 1 minute divided by 60 seconds is equal to 1. So we can use for a conversion factor when we do so. So if we have 180 seconds and we want to write that in minutes, we want to convert it to how many minutes is that? We're going to multiply it by our conversion factor. And when we do so, we want to pick the conversion factor that will allow our units to cancel and leave us with what we want. I want to pick the conversion factor that will have seconds on the bottom, so that when I multiply, they will cancel. So I'll use this version here with seconds on the bottom. So 60 seconds in 1 minute. All right. Now I'll just multiply. My seconds will cancel. All right. Seconds are on top, right? This is like 180 over 1. All right, 180 times 1 is 180 minutes over 60. All right. 180 divided by 60 is 3. So there we've converted that one. Moving on to the centimeters here. Here we know that 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So a yardstick, right? If I was to have this yardstick you see here, we could say that this stick is 100 centimeters long, or we could say this stick is 1 meter long, or we could say it's 1,000 millimeters long, all of which represent this one stick is equal to 1. So I build my conversion factors here. 100 centimeters over 1 meter, or 1 meter over 100 centimeters is equal to 1. This is my conversion factor. So to convert 443 centimeters to meters, I use the appropriate conversion factor. We'll have centimeters on the bottom, so that will cancel out and give me my new unit. So again, I'm going to use this version here. So that would be 100 centimeters on bottom, 1 meter in the numerator. Cancel. We get 443 divided by 100 is 4.43 meters. Hope this was helpful for using conversion factors. If you have any further questions, let me know, and I'll do a part 2 for the video or something like that. See y'all later.